Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve remaining question of chapter 6 integer for class 6. Please watch part 1 video for first 15 question. Link is given in description. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with question number 16. Multiplying a negative integer for even numbers of time gives a dash result. If we multiply negative integer such as minus 2 into minus 2, answer will be plus 4. If we multiply negative integer for even number of times, then negative sign will become positive sign. So it gives positive result. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 17. The integer which is 5 unit to the right of 0 on the number line is dash. On a number line, 5 unit to the right means right side of 0 there are positive integer. So 5 will be here and it will be plus 5. A is the correct answer. Question number 18. Which of the following option shows the given number sentence? Here given minus 13 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 16. Means there are two negative integer and their addition gives negative integer. So option A, when two positive integer are added we get positive integer. Option B, when two negative integer are added we get negative integer. Here given two negative integer and result is also negative integer. So B is the correct answer. Question number 19. Subtract the sum of minus 125 and 120 from the difference minus 160 minus 240. Now here we first find out the sum of minus 125 and 120. Sum of means addition. Now here minus plus minus and sign is of big number. So minus 125 minus 120 is 5. Difference of minus 160 minus 240. Here minus minus become plus 240 and minus plus is minus and sign is of big number. So plus 240 minus 160 80. And question is subtract 1 minus 125 plus 120 from minus 160 minus 240. So here we have to subtract minus 5 from 80 and subtract, and here minus minus become plus. So answer is 85. Here D is the correct answer. Question number 20. Amulya and Amar visited two places A and B respectively in Kashmir and recorded the minimum temperature on a particular day as minus 4 degrees Celsius at A and minus 1 degree Celsius at B. Which of the following statement is true? Here temperature at A is minus 4 and temperature at B is minus 1 and minus 4 is smaller than minus 1. So A place is more cooler than B place. Option A is cooler than B. So A is a correct answer. Question number 21. Sunil has rupees 35 in his metro card but his journey cost rupees 42. What amount will be shown by machine in the card at the time of exit? He is having 35 in the card and his journey cost 42 rupees. So here plus minus minus and sign is of big number. 42 minus 35 is 7. So machine will show minus 7 rupees at the time of exit. So B is correct answer. Question number 22. In a set of 12 questions, 4 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks for every wrong answer. Smriti gave 5 correct and 7 wrong answers. What is her score? Each correct answer is for 4 marks and Smriti gave 5 correct. So for 5 questions she got 20 marks. And for each wrong answer minus 2 marks. She gives 7 wrong answers. So 7 into 2 14 and minus 14. So these are correct answer, these are wrong answer marks. So 20 minus 14, 6. Her score is 6. So A is correct answer. Question number 23. Manya travelled 465 km towards south and Ananya travelled 644 km towards north from the same point. Find the distance between their final destination. Both start from this point towards north. Ananya travels 644 and towards south Manya travel 465. So distance from here to here is addition of this. So 4 plus 5 9, 4 plus 6 10, 1 carry over, 6 plus 4 10 and 11. So distance from their final destination is 1109. So A is correct answer. Question number 24. Arun has 125 rupees in his saving account. He withdraw 117. Withdraw means minus 117. So 8 rupees remaining. Then make a deposit of 45 rupees. Again he deposit 45 means deposit means add. So now he is having 53 rupees. And then withdraw another 69 rupees. Now again he withdraw 69 rupees. 53 minus 69. So plus minus minus. So 16. Find the amount left in bank. So he is having minus 16 rupees. A is correct answer. Question number 25. On one day the temperature on hill at 8 p.m. was 2 degrees Celsius. But at midnight it fell down to minus 3 degrees Celsius. By how many degrees did the temperature fall? The temperature was 2 degrees Celsius at 8 p.m. and it fall. Fall means minus. Fall by how much? Minus 3 degrees Celsius. So here minus minus become plus. 2 plus 3, 5. So temperature fall by 5 degrees Celsius. A is correct answer. Question number 26. Fill in the blanks. Option 1. The additive identity of the integer is P. Additive identity of integer is 0. Option 2. The integer which is 8 less than minus 24 is Q. 8 less than minus 24. Less than means minus and minus 24. So is equal to minus minus plus sign minus. So minus 32. Q is minus 32. Option 3. Every integer less than 0 is R. Less than 0 are the negative integer. So here 0 minus 32 and negative means option A is correct answer. Question number 27. Match the following. Option 1. Now first we start with 0. So from 0 to this side. Here minus 3 is there. And then from minus 3 the arrow is showing this direction, means addition. And distance from minus 3 to 3 is 6. For 1, C is correct answer. Then option 2, 0 is up to 5. So 5, and from 5 this direction means minus. From 5 to minus 4 distance is 9 unit. So for 2A is the correct answer. Option 3, from 0 to minus 4. So minus 4, and this direction means addition, and from minus 4 to 0, 4 unit. So for 3, D option is right. And option 4, from 0 to 4 means 4. And from 4, this direction means minus. And from 4 to minus 4, there are 8 units. So for 4, B is correct answer. B is correct answer here. Question number 28. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Option A, all negative numbers are less than 0. This is correct statement. Option B, there is no greatest or smallest integer. This is also correct statement. Option C, if x and y are integer, then x minus y is also an integer. This is also correct statement. Option D, minus 21 is smaller than minus 25. This is incorrect because minus 21 is greater than minus 25. D is the incorrect statement. Question number 29. State T for true and F for false. Option 1. Since 5 is greater than 3, therefore minus 5 is greater than minus 3. It is false statement because minus 5 is smaller than minus 3. Option 2. The difference between an integer and its additive inverse is always even if minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. This is true statement. The sum of 3 different integers can never be 0. It is false statement because minus 2 minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. These 3 are different integer but their addition is 0. So it is false statement. Option 4, all whole numbers are integer. It is true statement. So here C is correct answer. Question number 30, match the following. Column 1. First, the additive inverse of 2. Additive inverse of 2 is minus 2. The greatest negative integer is minus 1. Smallest integer greater than every negative integer. Smallest integer greater than every negative integer is 0. And sum of predecessor and successor of 1. Predecessor of 1 is 0 and successor is 2 and their sum is 2. So C is right for 4. So here B is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.